When it comes to improving indoor air quality in facilities, UVC is a great tool that we can use, and today we're looking at using UVC inside HVAC ductwork. Today we're looking at the UV duct fixture from Light Progress. This fixture includes 2 UVC lamps for a pretty high dose of UVC energy, and depending on the specifications of your HVAC system, including the CFM rating for your ductwork, you may actually need to install a couple of these units together depending on the level of dose that you're looking for your HVAC application. The UV duct fixture is important because it's specifically targeting disinfection of the air as it's carried through the supply ductwork before any branches come off the system. This is different than UV lights that might be installed inside an HVAC cabinet or on-coil UVC applications. This is a great way to reduce pathogen load and ensure that air that's coming through the HVAC system is as clean and healthy as possible. The UV duct fixture incorporates 2 UVC lamps that stick into the ductwork, and there's a gasket that seals this against the outside of the ductwork to make sure that the install is nice and tight. Any maintenance for the UV duct fixture is also very easy because this box is accessible from the outside of the ductwork. We can open up the unit and replace any lamps from outside of the ductwork as necessary. Now, the typical lamp life for these lamps is about 2 years, so this gives us a long runtime of UVC disinfection inside the HVAC ductwork before these lamps have to be swapped out and changed. The UV duct fixture also incorporates a couple of LED indicators on the front of the unit. Now, these are green as long as the lamps are operational, and these are a great indication without having to open up the unit of whether or not any maintenance is required on the UV duct unit, like replacing one of the lamps over time. If you're looking for a way to improve indoor air quality in your facility and reduce pathogen loads as the air flows through your HVAC system, the UV duct system is a great option to consider to get a high UVC dose that corresponds to the airflow moving through your system. If you have any questions about specifying the UV duct fixture for your HVAC system, our team is here to help you determine which model might be right and if multiple units are needed for your HVAC setup.